Here's the latest technology for Soldermask application. This is a Claritech Eco Spray. As you can see here, we have 5 canisters, which means we can do 5 different colors. Changeover time is about a minute and a half. As you can see here, we have a loader with various size panels. The machine will automatically adjust. As the panels shuttle through to the staging area, they wait to be sprayed. Here's the spray chamber. One is being sprayed now. Let's take a look. Once the panel is done being sprayed, it will come to this module. It'll be flipped. It will stage back in for another coat. When it's done, it will exit here onto this conveyorized system, which is the tunnel oven, to pre-cure the solder mask. As it makes its way through the tunnel oven, it will end up in here, the imaging area, where it will unload and get ready for the laser direct imaging process.